Hello world, my name is Nadir Bagavi. I am designing and building the Starship. Today's video is going to be about manufacturing, and this is going to be the last video of the conceptual design part. Beyond this, I will move into societies that will live on the Starship and go into more detailed design of the Starship. So this video is about manufacturing, and the Starship is von Neuman machine, meaning it is capable of recreating itself. So it must have all the capacities to create or inflate new habitats, to 3D print or otherwise manufacture very long 5-kilometer beams, or spin and 3D print or otherwise create nose cone and engines and electronics and so on. In fact, one of the earliest projects that we will do is the simplest von Neumann machine, which is all iron 3D printer. With iron, you can create four most important components of 3D printer, which is electromagnets, relays, which will replace modern electronics, motors, electric motors to drive, and plasma deposition, which is similar to MIG or TIG welding, but using pure iron. So manufacturing capability must include a lot of techniques, and here I'm describing only very simple and very few of them, such as casting, forging, cutting, welding, milling, stamping, turning, spinning, and so on. And these are only metal. 3D printing, in fact, will replace a lot of them, except 3D printing is not going to replace all of them. So it is going to be a work to identify what technologies we need to take and which one of them can be simplified into a simpler form, such as 3D printing. So this is a video about the manufacturing of the Starship. My name is Nadir Bagavi, the Starship designer and commander. End of vlog.